Megan!
Look how it jiggles.
Shut up! Shut up! Stop! I'm taking a video. Would you stop it?
Take a video.
Because I like videos. We're going to do one walking in the hallway. Could you stop it?
But it's funny when it jiggles.
Go. I don't care. I'm taking a video.
Hey, Haley, I need to go to my locker room. Come with me. No. Jiggle.
Don't kick me there.
Jiggle.
Stop.
Will you come to my locker with me?
Yeah, I'm going to chase you.
No, don't chase me.
Why not? It's funny. Stop.
Are you still taking a video?
Oh, yeah.
I like chicken.
Oh, what about Jigglypuff? That's a Pokemon show, isn't it? More like that.
You got like 5 seconds of her boob.
Oh, mine. Oh, yeah. She went like this. That's Josh. And that's Courtney.
And this is Haley.
This is Megan. Hi. Can I get a close-up of your teeth?
No.
Get a close-up of your sprinkle. My sprinkle.
I don't think you got a close-up. This is my sprinkle.
Oh. Sprinkle. It's Jimmy Dean. I mean, Jimmy. Jimmy Dean is a breakfast. Can you please move? No, not you.
Not you.
What about Clay?
Come on. Kyle. We're taking a video.
It's a video. Let's put this on YouTube.
That sounds good.
That's hot. Haley, look at your hair. Oh, yeah.
That was like chicken.
And Megan is hiding behind Haley's shoulder. Something just dropped down my pants. Oh, let's go.
This is not it. Something dropped down your pants? No. What?
I'm taking a video.
Let's run like that.
Robin, I'm taking a video. Say hello. Oh my God. Hi. Robin. Putting this on YouTube.
Hi, I was ringing the bell 4 minutes ago, so I'm ringing it now, and then I'll ring it again. Like,
I'm taking a video. Hi. Hello. Oh no. Oh no, we're late. Oh no, we're late. We're gonna die. Haley, your butt.
yes, I have a butt.
Haley's butt. This is Haley's butt. You have to knock first. Okay. You have to knock. I'm using this one. Oh, let me see. Maddie, you have to knock. Camera, and I'll take a video of you. No, yeah, I'm still taking one. I'm going to continue this one. It's Megan. Shut up! One eye blink. Oh my God, that's Blinker and Brianna. Think that's Brianna. Where? Maddie, no, I'm right here. I'm not. Someone pushed me. Oh, that's awesome.
I don't think you take a picture.
Give me the camera. I want to take a picture. I mean, take a video of Audrey. Don't! You're going to drop it. If you drop it that way, look at the picture. I'm taking a video.
Let's go to Maddie's locker. We get to play bingo.
Let's go to my locker.
Knock on your